Hello and welcome to LG's step-by-step guide on how to turn the chimes on and off for your LG washing machine. You can hear a melody or chimes when a cycle starts or stops, when you adjust the settings on the control panel, or whenever you turn the washer on or off. You can easily turn the chimes off whenever you want. Here is how to do so. First, make sure the washing machine is turned on. To turn the function on/off, press the signal button. And it's that simple to turn on or off the melodies and signal sounds.